This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your date of birth on Telegram. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Telegram app opened up. To hide your birthday on Telegram, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to where I see Privacy and Security. Tap on Privacy and Security. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways further. In the Privacy section, right down here, Birthday. As you can see, I currently have mine set to nobody. I'm going to tap on Birthday, though. At the very top, it tells me that I haven't even added my birthday. But down below that, it says who can see my birthday if I had one added. Everybody, my contacts, or nobody. Down below that, you can make exceptions for particular people by tapping on Add User. But other than that, the main setting is right up here. Who can see my birthday? Everybody, my contacts, or nobody. That is how to hide your birthday on Telegram. Thanks for watching.